What up, you guys? I figured out why my exhaust is getting a lot of pops and bangs on D-cell, and it's because I did not put these gaskets under the block-off plates. I did not read the instructions correctly, so I'm gonna have to get back under the air blocks and pop them off and put these in there with those block-off plates. And I'm just gonna take it apart and I'll show you once I'm in there what I'm talking about. Okay. Got the block off plates off. Now I just gotta put the gasket in there before I close it back up. Okay, gaskets are on right there. Just gotta put these plates back on there and it should stop with all the D-cell popping. All right, block off plates in. I got the air box and the tank back in. When I turn it on, I'm noticing a lot, and when I can get in where my plate is and I can feel there's almost no air or anything around there, where before, I mean, you could like basically hear the air coming out of that block off plate. So I'm gonna finish putting it back together, and then I'm gonna go rip around the block and I'll show you guys how it sounds. Hopefully the D-cell pops are taken care of. I don't know, we'll find out. What up, you guys? Just installed the seal on my block off plates, and I mean, almost no backfire now. That's crazy. I knew something was wrong, and it sounds so much better now. I mean, listen to this shit, dude. Little bit of backfire, but literally, not even exaggerating, I mean half. It is cut in half, maybe 3/4 as much as backfire is happening in the past. So yeah, listen to that, man. Oh, she's purring, dude. Oh, baby. All right, let's get a freeway pull. Oh yeah. Cool. So now I'm assuming it's gonna take another 2 rides to reset my my check engine light, because what do you call it? Basically now the air is not just sucking in and getting thrown back into the exhaust, and the exhaust sounds way cleaner now. I need to rewatch that video that I posted when I post this, because just from what I remember, it sounds so much better now. Almost no backfire. I mean, literally none. I'm not hearing anything at the moment, so. Power feels really good, though. Hella responsive. Oh yeah, just little tiny little baby back pops, but you know, that's just normal. All right, here we go, we'll hit this. Oh, it sounds so clean now. I had a feeling it sounded a little rough from before. It sounds super good now. The power, honestly, I think it feels a little bit more powerful now. that might just be me, just, you know, whatever. But yeah, no, it feels great. It feels great. The D-cell pops are basically gone. I mean, listen to that. Little baby tiny gurgles, nothing crazy. It sounds so good now. See now, okay, yeah. Yep, I fucked up. I fucked up, boys. And I need to look who said that last comment about it. Thank you, man. I really appreciate you fucking getting in contact with those guys, because I sent them an email, and yeah, I've just been in between stuff and haven't been able to lock in on this and give them a call. And I didn't even see if they were open this weekend. But yo, I appreciate it. And you made me go back and check, and I found the seals, so thank you so much. Bike sounds fucking awesome now, and yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain this next week, and I can take this out a little bit more and show it off a little bit more to you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.